Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox the RavPower PD Pioneer. 15,000 milliamp hour battery power pack. It's a power bank. So yeah, let's get started. RavPower, got your warranty, user guide, and charge cable. And it is using micro USB, so that is something to be aware of. Okay, and then this is the pack itself. As you can see, it's about that size. Fits in my hand fairly well. Here is an old BlackBerry phone, but yeah, I actually have an old one. Give me a sec. This is an old version of a RavPower that I had. And then this is the new one. So, you know, significantly smaller. That's kind of what you're looking at. But yeah, pretty simple. Cool thing about it is that this one has a little LED display. So there you go. It'll tell you the amount. So yeah, pretty good. Simple. These RavPower power banks last forever, so I do highly recommend them. Have nothing but good things to say about RavPower. So yeah, thank you. Have a good day.